Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be cleaning out my under the sink cabinet, so I wanted to take you along and share the process with you. I have a bit of an organization system already set up, but it is that time of the year when I have to, technically should have done it last month, but needless to say I am doing it now, and it just needs to be cleared out and that system reimagined, I guess, if it's not working. Often or not, things get in there that shouldn't be in there, so I gotta clean them out, clean everything up, and put them back together. So I thought, what a perfect way to share this with you. So come along. So here is my cabinet. And this is what it looks like. So I'm going to take everything out and clean up everything. So as you can see, it is a little bit messy, so that needs to be wiped down and cleaned up. And I will be using the antibacterial disinfecting cleaner from Method in Bamboo scent. So this is the reverse osmosis water filtration system, so unfortunately it has to stay here, and it comes with all these lovely wires and cables and whatever hoses that are there. So in this container I keep my soap, dishwashing soap, that's always here and it's fine. It doesn't need to be washed. And then this one I will go through and see what's in there and go from there. So I'm going to give this a wash. I have attached this so this doesn't come off, but this needs to get washed. And in here I just have my brushes, cleaning brushes. This is my cast iron brush, a knife that I use for cleaning, and a toothbrush that I use to clean like inside a dishwasher and things like that. I am using this clip to attach these like that. Right there. It's all done, and to give you a little bit of a tour what's in here, so like I said, all my cleaning brushes are in here, and this is just an old tea container from Loose Tea. I keep my spare, my extra. I like to use this soap for washing my hands. It's from Bath and Body Works, and it's called kitchen lemon, so I like to use that. I have my little Dawn dish soap and baking soda mixture that I like to clean my sink with. I also add a couple drops of lemon essential oil. I can leave a link below in the corner to see how I make some of my cleaning supplies. I use Norwex dish rags, and I keep spare ones in here because I will wash them. And then I have attachment for this brush, which is also from Norwex. I clean my bottles. And then I have a spirit sponge, and kind of like a spirit sponge but this one's from Marshalls. These are really great because they don't scratch surfaces, but they have enough grit that they take stuff off. So then, like I said, my dishwashing soap, and I just use the Finish because it works the best for my dishes. I know it might not be the best for environment, but and then I have the Quantum Finish. It's the jet dry, I guess. Yeah, jet dry rinsing aid. It just keeps dishwasher working properly. And then I have all my cleaning supplies for the kitchen. These are window cleaner, which I will use on appliances as well. Then I have Method all-purpose cleaner that I wipe my counters almost every day, a couple times a day, and also an antibacterial cleaner for the deep cleaning. And then I have my stainless steel cleaner here, which is also Method. And then I just have my all-purpose cleaner that I make with water and vinegar. I can use that one on my marble backsplash, so I have to have just sometimes I just use water, but if there's something really stuck on, I'll just use the Method all-purpose cleaner. Then I have my gloves, cleaning gloves. I hate wearing them, but there are some things that I just have to wear them for. And then just a watering can. And over here I hang my rags to dry and my drying dishcloth, which is this one, at the end of the night to dry for the next day. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And I am posting this video on a Monday, even though it's in the kitchen video, and usually I post those on Fridays, but I have a challenge collaboration type of video coming out on Friday. It's another organization video, but it's in a different area, so make sure you tune in for that on Friday. So until next time, have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.